If you think roofing market is saturated, try gutter market. Gutter cover market is absolutely saturated with products. If you go to almost any expo, you're gonna see new product every year. They're just growing like crazy. But there are very few who offer what Leaf Solution offers. Let me tell you this. So many people have asked me, why do I endorse Leaf Solution? Well, answer is super simple, because I love to work with the best in business. Let me show you why Leaf Solution is absolutely the best. We're here at Leaf Solution booth. They actually have improvement, and we already made videos in the past about their miters. How do you call it? What's the full name of it?
This is our high flow inside valley miter.
This is the solution to the biggest problem with the gutters. Inside miters, so even if you have gutter covers, with the most systems, this is going to be your key problem. Leaf Solution came up with a miter. It costs about $30–40. You can guys actually sell it direct. I teach you how to do it in the school, because this is the product you cannot buy in a big box store. And honestly, it's the best solution for in entire system. That's what's going to set you apart. That's what your competition cannot do. Do you have a patent on it?
Yeah, we have a patent on our inside miters and our outside miters.
So think about it, nobody can touch you, it's one of a kind, while there's many products on the market that do offer micro mesh, included your famous leaf filter. They cannot compete with accessories like this. Do you see your competition trying to mimic it?
Of course they try, but there's nothing out there like it. You can't get this product anywhere else but here.
And tell me the feedback you're getting, and do you have any complaints on the miters after years of use?
No, actually the feedback's have been phenomenal. I mean, it's eliminate your homeowner callbacks about 70 to 90%. It's one of your #1 problems, and we're the only ones with a solution for it.
One of the things I want to compliment Leaf Solution is how they present themselves. Gutter cover industry, gutter cover market is huge, because every home has a roof, but it also has gutter covers. Roofs will last 15 years, gutter covers will last 2–3 years. So you have millions of homes across the United States that needs new gutter covers every year, because they install shitty products from big box stores, and then they need to find real solution. I call it Leaf Solution. So if you guys build something like this and present it at your home show, imagine how many leads you can get, because this generates leads. I mean, I'm telling you right now, this is one of the coolest gutter cover booth I have seen. What kind of feedback you getting from the contractors while you're here?
I mean, they're loving it. They really wanted to see the experience, you know, what they can handle. This is like a tropical storm display. You won't see this normally everywhere, but this you can see basically it handles anything and everything you can see. So it gives them an idea of different elements and how to install it.
How many contractors have something like this, and can you help them build prototype? If they're your dealer, are they allowed to build something like this at their home shows?
Oh, of course, man. We got a couple of different designs that we can actually help them and give them the layout or schematics for it. It's pretty simple. I mean, most of our contractors or roofers can build it anyway, but we can definitely help them and give them some blueprints on something just like this.
Awesome. Guys, if you're interested to build something like this for your home shows, it's one thing to have a product, but it's another thing to have a nice, cool demonstration. Have it in your office. Have it at your home show. It works. It sells. It will sell pretty much for you. And accessories like this, I love patented products. Why? Because when you have a patented product, you're not a commodity business anymore. You're actually solving the problem nobody else can solve. You get the business, you win more jobs. So we're gonna put information from Leaf Solutions in comments and in description below. If you need some blueprints or you want to reach out to them, they'll help you set up presentations just like this. And I'm telling you, Leaf Solutions do works, and you will be competing with the biggest players on the market like Leaf Filter, except you will be beating them with a patented product. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you, Dimitri.